Hello friends, today I just want to share you, very good evening first. Today I just going to share you about the stress, anxiety and depression which is happening to everyone, most of the people at present situation. This is very difficult to everyone to face such like a problems because they haven't seen yet previously that this type of environment that I have to sit in my home within the four walls for a long period, isn't it? That is the lockdown period we already passed passed out. But thing is that in forthcoming, each and every day we are facing so many problems. If we go out, then we have to wash our hand, have to uh, use the face cover, etc., etc. All such things. But most of the people who are the earning member of the family and who are not the earning member, who are the homemaker of the family, both from both ends, they are facing a big problem about the stress, anxiety, and depression. They are totally they are depressed all the times. They are feeling some anxiety because they have to stay inside the home and some afraidness happening in their inner soul. What will happen next? Don't worry. Don't worry. Every problem there is a solution. Today, I want to express something which I know from my side, which I believe from my side. I think if you believe, then you get the result. Suppose you have an infection in your hand or anywhere else, definitely you go to consult with the doctor. And the doctor never try to cure that at that time, but doctor will give you some medicines. It will not spread for that. That's why they will give you some antibiotics like this, not to spread. After that, after a few days, it will be recovered. But thing is that when stress, depression and anxiety, everything that is controlled by your mind, that is controlled by your mind. Mind is the most powerful thing for yourself. You are regulated by your mind. Nobody can stop it. Only you yourself is the first doctor who can cure it. No external doctor can cure it. Due to this, if you go to consult with the doctor definitely will give you some medicines like this, but that will for some while. After that, it will come again, and that's why for most of the people, I'm not telling most of the people, 80-20 happening here. The people are adopting alcohol, drugs, etc., etc., to forget about this type of afraidness. What is mind? How mind is control yourself? How mind will control? Suppose I'm just saying one story to you. In the early age of elephant, the trainer actually tied the elephant with a small pillar by a rope. When the elephant was very smaller, elephant tried to rescue himself by removing that pillar. But he had no strength like that to rescue himself. Day by day, elephant growing up, but his mind already been seasoned about this matter that it's not my cup of tea, I can't do it. But when the elephant is bigger, huge in size, and have more power within, then within a fraction of a second, the elephant can do that. Not only that, elephant can break every type of pillar, big pillar, multi-storied building. It's not a problem, big deal to him. But that time also the trainer, tie the elephant with the same rope and with a small pillar. But elephant mindset already like that, you can't do it. His mind telling him, you can't do it. That's why elephant never try to pull it out to free himself itself. That is the main thing. So your mind controlling you, how much powerful, how big you are, how many power do you have. You may be the bodybuilder, you may be the wrestler, anything you. first thing is that if your mind controlling that you can't do it, then you never can do it. That is the main thing. And second thing is that you are facing a disease. That is the kind of disease. I definitely say stress, anxiety and depression is a disease. And along with that, you are just talking with the negative people. They also putting some FOMO into your mind. Have you seen that person, that couple are very happy indeed because they went to US for 5 days too. And you are depressed. What man, why are you depressed? If you are a positive people, your answer should be like this. When they will come back, I definitely ask him how they went there. If I go next time, then it will be easier route for me. And if you are a negative people, you are in FOMO, definitely you feel more anxiety, more anxiety, more anxiety, more stress in your mind. Yes, he's doing everything, he's happier, happier, happier. No, today I just saying you something. The people whom you seeing each and every day in your Facebook, in your WhatsApp, or in your Instagram, or anywhere else, with smiling face and beautiful pictures, do you think them happy? No. They are actually not happy. They are trying to make them happy. That's why they are spending their time like this way. But you yourself can cure it. Don't judge a people by seeing outside. Don't judge a people. The great man never looks at a person exterior. All great men are like this. Okay? Don't judge a book by its cover. Mind it. So I'm telling very frankly, when your mind is completely occupied with the dirt, with the negative thinking, just become pandemic. Just because this situation, because you are surrounded by four walls and the business is not going properly, something happening, you don't know how to maintain the family, everything is just coming to your mind. Mind it. Mind is controlling you, but you have to break it. How? The main thing is that you have to think yourself that yes, I can win. I am the winner. I want to win. I can win. How do you win? In the first morning, for everything, when you are facing the problem, it means that everybody facing the same problem. It is not like that you are facing the first time. But somehow you have to come out from that state. In the morning, when you open your eyes, think positive, and do yoga and exercise. Yoga exercise is give you some mental pleasure, and along with meditation. Keep your eyes closed for 10-15 minutes and think you are the most richest person and happiest person in the world. If you say so, your mind will be programmed. How the mind is programming? I just telling you. Believe me or not, I don't know. But thing is that if you follow this rule, after 21 days, you will get the result. Mind it. I just telling one thing. Suppose you don't know a Hindi song, but each and every day, when you are sitting in your workplace, you just hearing somehow from here and there one Hindi tune in your ear. After some days, your mind also already been programmed that Hindi tune, and you are whispering and singing that tune. You whispering, singing, but you don't know the wordings. You don't know. Actually, you never concentrate your mind toward the wordings, but wordings automatically comes to your mind because somehow your mind adopted that. That is the power of your mind. So think good, feel good, do good. In the morning, first morning, you just keep your eyes closed and sit for the 10 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, whatever you like to do. And think positive and think about a lot that I am going to strike that there. Talk to every family members with lively, with happyful motives like this. Never try to tussle with anyone. Never try to tussle with anyone. Okay, I'm telling you, Our life is very precious, and everybody finding there is a heaven. The living place is our heaven, where you can touch anything. It's like everything is concrete, nothing is virtual, everything is concrete. You have to grab it, you have to touch it. Within this short limit of life, you have to enjoy everything. Why you worried? Why you depress yourself? Just keep out the depression. What for depression? If I tell you one story, exciting story, a jokes, you definitely laugh. If I repeat the same jokes, 2, 3, 4 times, then you never laugh. You just think, is this man is crazy? इसका तो दिमाग खराब हो गया, एक ही बात बार बार दोहरा रहा है. So if you are not sorry for, if you are not entertain yourself to hear the same words regularly, so why are you feel sorry for a particular cause each and every time? Mind it. एक बात के लिए, एक जोक्स के लिए अगर आप दोबारा हंस नहीं सकते, तो एक दुख के लिए आप इतना उदास क्यों? Why? Why are you too much worried about this? You have to worry. You feel that you are the winner. This is the main thing which can keep you towards your goal. Just wash your brain by your positive thoughts, by chanting the holy name of God, by do meditation, and do active always. Do active always. If you want to go, if you want to do any work, and you are thinking that it's too much raining, there's too much hot, I can't go now. No, you go immediately and do the work. Active yourself somehow. Then you never feel any depression in your mind. You can, suppose I'm telling you one thing, a glass of water, if you pour a drop of ink over there, the total white color would be blackish, isn't it? So if you want to make that milk total white again, then you have to put the double amount of milk over there. So your mind is totally filled with good thinking. Suppose say somebody inject one drop of negative in your mind, then you have to wash for again to do all such things which I told earlier. Prayer, meditation, again and again. So you just avoid the negative people. And definitely you break your fear. Fear is most dangerous thing. What for you afraid of? What is the reason behind it? What for you afraid of? The soldiers are staying day after day, night after night in the border place. They don't know they will come back to their own home or not. But they are sacrificing your life. You are sitting in your own place, but you are afraid of? Mind it, one thing. This is the negative thinking, that is anxiety, stress, depression in your mind. Just control your mind. This is the most powerful enemies in your life than the external enemies. The external enemies need some weapon to kill you, but the internal enemy is always killing you. If you don't want to go anywhere, if you shut the door and sit inside of your home, nobody will disturb you. It means that no external force will come to attack you. Mind it. But whenever you go, anywhere you go, where you want to go, doesn't matter, because you are carrying your internal enemies. That is frustration, that is depression, that is anxiety, that is stress. You are carrying by yourself. Who said you to carry this? No one. This type of enemies can do paralysis to everybody. A huge figure elephant can pull out the small pillar by his own power, because it has power, but his mindset is different. I can't do it. So we people are the human being. Our power is our mind. So make the mind very fresh, and think yourself you have all abilities. Don't be afraid of. Just face the problem. If you facing any problem, and if you facing any problem to actually grab anything, or if you are afraid of to go outside, just face the problem. Just go within the problem. Just go within the problem and go to your goal. Do the work. Be active. You have to do it. Then everything washed out. And then finally, to wash out your brain with positiveness and kick out all the negatives from your mind, I just want to share one story at the end. And I'm telling you very frankly, I'll come back again after I'm telling this story. After Second World War, that is that was a priority for every sailors. That was a rule for every sailors, that the sailors should be very much trained about swimming. That's why the trainers when they were giving training to the sailors, they pushed the sailors into the sea from the height of 10 or 20 feet. Okay, they have to swim on the river, on the sea, and somebody rescue team was there and they rescued. But thing is that the topper, most active sailor, a young, handsome, and have a good figure, good health, was the most active sailor. He had everything, but he had a barrier into his brain. That is, he was too much afraid of, I can't jump from the sail. That is the barrier. So all the sailor officers, they thought themselves that he is a precious gem. Somehow he has to take the training, otherwise he will be sacked from the job. So they discussed themselves, and his trainer called that particular sailor. You come here, I just giving you a suggestion. What suggestion? You are afraid of to jump, no problem. I'm doing one thing. I just arrange a small flight for you. I and you will be there. It's a training for 3-4 days. You put actually life jacket along with the parachutes, etc., and go with me with that flight, and we will fly just on the sea. And you have to, at the first day, you have to see the downward, and have to adjust with the height yourself, by which your anxiety will be reduced. But second day, I'll give you another task to concentrate on the sea. Third day, I'll give you another task, get mental setup to jump, like this. Okay, the man was agreed, the sailor was agreed, because he has all abilities, only he couldn't jump. They just took the flight, and the flight was flying on the sea. The trainer opened the door of the flight and informed him, see on the down. When he see on the down, somehow the trainer pushed him from back. When the trainer pushed him, he uttered on the high voice with a huge slang, But trainer was laughing. He's looking on the downward. What he'll do? He was floating on the air. On the mid of the air, he himself opened the parachute and safely landed on the position, and there was a rescue team. Somehow he rescued. On the second day, he met with the trainer. Sir, I beg to be apologized for that. Yesterday I used a slang to you. You please apologize me, and I'm very much sorryful for that. I shouldn't do like that. Trainer was laughing. Are you feeling good? Do you believe in yourself that you can do it? Yes, I can. Because on the mid of the year, I myself opened that thing, no? And finally I thought myself that I can do it. I have lot of confidence that I can do twice, thrice, four times. It's not a big problem to me. Okay, but sir, the sailor again saying, sir, please excuse me, please sir, I shouldn't do that thing, no, I used that slang to you. The sailor replied, no, you not used any slang. That is a huge sign, huge sound. What sound? Your negative energy, that is stress, anxiety and depression, gone out. And yes, I can do, I am the winner, that is come inside your mind. That was a big sound to replace that product in your mind, because your mind already be now totally be from turns to negative to positive 180 degree. So you have not to worry about this, never feel, but I feel proud for you better, because you win this and you realize yourself. That's all. This is the story of human being. So I'm telling you very frankly, to make your mind very clear, settle down, prayer, chanting, do everything, do the yoga and think good, eat good and feel good. I'm telling you very frankly, don't waste your life by stress, anxiety and carrying your inner enemies with you. So dear friends, thank you very much for this video, and if you like it, definitely you share and like it, and push the bell icon to subscribe me, and I'll come again. Thank you a lot. Thank you very much.